You open the Zero Fasting app, ready to take control of your health. Maybe you want to lose weight, boost energy, or finally build a consistent fasting routine. But after a few days of tracking timers, charts, and streaks, a question starts creeping in. Is Zero truly helping? Or is it just another wellness app built on hype? Welcome to GigaBits, where we test the apps people actually rely on, and we tell you the truth. What works, what fails, and what's worth your time. Today we're breaking down Zero Fasting App 2026, one of the most downloaded fasting trackers in the world. But does it truly deliver results, or is it just another beautifully designed timer? I spent 2 full weeks testing Zero Premium and the free version. I tracked multiple fasting styles, 16.8, 18.6, and OMAD, while monitoring its timer accuracy, habit-building tools, coaching content, and biomarker tracking features. I compared Zero to other fasting apps like Fastient, Fastic, and Simple to see whether Zero remains the top fasting tool in 2026. I also reviewed scientific studies on intermittent fasting, user testimonials, and medical expert opinions to determine whether Zero truly supports sustainable results, or if it's mostly a motivational dashboard. Zero promises to help you fast smarter with customizable timers, progress analytics, expert-backed content, and guided coaching. Its marketing highlights biological markers like ketosis, circadian alignment, and metabolic benefits, all visualized in clean charts. But the big question is, does Zero actually make fasting easier and more effective? Or is it simply packaging basic tracking behind a subscription model? Let's dive into the real-world evidence. Step 1. Timer function and habit formation. Zero nails the basics. The fasting timer is clean, flexible, and extremely easy to use. You can shift windows, track streaks, and schedule fasting plans. For beginners, this helps build consistency, arguably the most important factor in fasting success. Step 2. Educational content and coaching. The app includes daily articles, videos, and science summaries. Content quality is genuinely good, especially compared to other fasting apps that rely on generic health blog writing. However, Premium locks most of the deeper guidance behind a paywall. Step 3. Biomarker and progress tracking. Zero estimates metabolic shifts like fat-burning zones using general science-based timelines, not personalized biometrics. It looks impressive but should be viewed as approximations, not medical-grade measurements. Step 4. Community and motivation. Zero's streaks, badges, and milestones are strong motivators. The app feels encouraging without being pushy, which makes it great for long-term users. But there's no strong social community like competing apps offer. Step 5. Weight loss and real results. Here's the truth. Zero doesn't cause weight loss. The fasting discipline does. Zero simply gives structure and visibility. Users who follow consistent fasting patterns tend to see results, but not because the app does anything magical. It's a tracker, not a doctor. Step 6. Subscription model. Most core features are free, which is a huge win, but Premium adds coaching, advanced analytics, and personalized plans. At around $39.59 per year, depending on discounts, it's not expensive, but users should be aware that you don't need Premium to fast successfully. So does the Zero Fasting app truly work in 2026? Pros. Extremely easy to use fasting timer. Great educational content based on real science. Motivational streaks and milestones. Free version is strong enough for most people. Cons: Premium content is locked behind a paywall. Biomarker charts are estimates, not medically personalized. No strong community or social accountability. App doesn't cause results. Discipline does. Bottom line, Zero is one of the best fasting trackers in 2026. Clean, reliable, and genuinely helpful for building habits. But it's not a magic solution. Use it for consistency, not as a shortcut. If this review helped you understand whether Zero is the right fasting tool for your 2026 goals, hit like and subscribe to GigaBits. We break down real apps to help you make smarter choices. Comment below, what fasting style are you trying? 16/8, OMAD, or something else? Thanks for watching GigaBits. where your health tools and lifestyle apps get tested, honestly.